Welcome back to our channel, Annie plus Luke. I'm your travel advisor, Annie, and in case you didn't know, my services are free for my clients to use. Travel advisors, sometimes referred to as travel agents, have commission built into the price of travel. So when you book yourself directly, you're paying for a service you're not receiving. So I always recommend enlisting the help of a travel advisor, like myself, if you're wanting to research, plan, and book a vacation. Oftentimes, when I am working on a cruise ship vacation for a client, first-time cruisers will express concern about what there is to do on a cruise ship. Most cruise itineraries include at least one at-sea day, if not more, and folks are concerned about what they will be doing trapped on a boat for those days. Of course, there is always lounging on the sun decks, balconies, poolside, or in the hot tub, attending the nightly shows, eating and drinking, gambling in the casino, or partaking in various trivia games. But especially on Royal Caribbean ships, there is also so much more. This is why my top recommendation for families wanting to try a cruise is Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. You can also check out my blog post comparing all the cruise lines, which I will link in the description box below. If you haven't seen our onboard activities video from our cruise on Symphony of the Seas, I will also link that video down in the description box, so you can check that out as well. Without further ado, here are just a sampling of some of the activities offered on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. I hope this helps you get some ideas of all the fun to be had on a cruise ship and why I recommend Royal Caribbean for first-time cruisers and for families. Please click the thumbs up to give this video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and content. If you'd like my free services as a travel advisor, leave a comment down below or feel free to connect with me by my email or travel website, also linked in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you next time.